Why do so many homeowners fail at lawn care? Is it because they're lazy or is it because they don't care? I think it's quite the opposite. So here's the truth and how to fix it. Homeowners fail because they lack the proper knowledge about lawn care. Let me explain. See, lawn care just isn't something that we're taught. There are no classes for it in high school. Most of us buy our first home and we just do what our parents did. So, what does that lead people to do? Most people guess. They go to the store, they grab a bag of fertilizer, maybe a grass seed that looks good, maybe a weed killer or two, and off they go, hoping for the best. But see, lawn care isn't random. It is a system of well timed actions and applications. And if you don't understand the system, you're going to always feel like you're spinning your wheels. A perfect example of this is when people start. See, most homeowners think that spring is the time to fix their lawn, and it actually makes sense because everything is green, everything is growing. But that's actually one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make. Spring isn't where you build a great lawn. It's where you maintain it and get it as healthy as possible heading towards summer. Fall is the real transformation. But if nobody ever taught you that, how are you supposed to know? This is where the frustration cycle begins. Because here's what happens. You start in the spring, you put in a little effort, you throw in a little money, and your lawn doesn't magically turn into what you expected. And now you're frustrated. And instead of thinking, maybe I just need a better plan, you think, this just doesn't work. So you quit. Not because you failed, but because you were missing the right information. So, what homeowners really need isn't more products. They need a simple understanding of when to do things, why they're doing them, and what actually matters versus what doesn't. Because once you understand those basics, everything gets easier. You stop guessing, you stop wasting money, and you start seeing real progress. If you feel like you have made mistakes in your lawn before, guess what? Despite popular belief, you're not alone. Most people have. I have. We have. Look, we have all started somewhere, and we are all somewhere on our own path, on our own journey. Do I know everything about lawn care? Of course not. But what I do have is an open mind and a willingness to learn. And that is exactly what you need too. But it's not because lawn care is too complicated. It's because nobody ever breaks it down in a simple way. And that is a gap. And once you close that gap, everything changes. All right. So how do you actually fix this? And it's simpler than most people think. Number one, learn the lawn care calendar. Understand what should be done in the spring, the summer, and the fall. Timing is everything. Number two, focus on the basics. You don't need 10 products. What you need is proper mowing, consistent watering, and the right fertilizer at the right time. A good weed control helps and some good preventative measures, but that's really it. Number three, think long term. Stop expecting instant results. Lawn care is an ongoing process and not a one-time task. Your lawn is built over seasons, not over weekends. A bodybuilder with a nice physique didn't get there because he went to the gym 6 times and drank a protein shake every now and then. It took commitment to the long-term success that got them where they are. And lawn care is no different. And number four, have a fall plan. If you want real results, fall is your opportunity. That is when you seed, repair, and thicken your lawn. Spring, that's just when you're managing what you already have. So put all of your effort, your energy, your money, your excitement, your love, your attention into fall. Buy the highest quality grass seed that you can and don't skimp on the water. Put in the extra work to ensure your project's success. If you have struggled with your lawn before, that doesn't mean you have failed. It just means you didn't have the right game plan. Because once you understand the why behind what you're doing, everything starts to click. So if there is one thing that I want you to take away from this video, it's this. You don't need to work harder on your lawn or buy more stuff. You just need to understand it better. Now look, I really appreciate you watching, and if you know someone who is frustrated with their lawn right now, send them this video. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.